Hello everybody, welcome back to our 37 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily delete a login on your Bitwarden Desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to all items. So here we will have our accounts. For example, the TikTok, here we have the login. Now, what we can do here is, as you guys can see, we can change the details, but most importantly, we can delete it right here. So right on the right side at the bottom of the screen, we will have an option to delete this item. And after we click yes, then we will find it in the bin. Now in the bin, we want to click on it, and here we can permanently delete this item. So as you guys can see, after I click yes, there's no items on this list, and also there's no items in all items. So that's how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.